first saw the title Pharmaceutical Cold Chain Management on wheels, I could not imagine how this course will be organized. I was very excited. It is for the first time that I participate in a training like that. I have some theoretical knowledges, but this practical training show me how to use them effectively.
It was a great mixture of group participants. I have a public health background, and for me it was super interesting to interact with people from the industry, which I rarely do. So I learned a lot from them and from that mixture. It was a great mixture of group work and fun and hard work and learning. It was also a great mixture of being in different settings and seeing really all the different levels of the supply chain and the different challenges at each level. So for me, it was a great learning experience.
My name is Abdoulaye and I work with PAS in the Senegal office. I can say that the pharmaceutical cold chain management in Wales gave me a very good practical experiences regarding the vaccine cold chain management, especially in the area of risk management. I had a chance to share experiences with very relevant personnel, professionals from different countries, especially during the working group session. What I really appreciate is during all the courses we prioritize the practice than the theory. And definitely, I now believe that the end is nothing but the road is all. I also really appreciate the close following we got from the mentors during all the courses. And finally, I honestly think that every professional who works in the cold chain management should attend this relevant course.
This has been a wonderful opportunity so far. It allowed me the chance to see what happens in real life within the cold chain. Being able to view this from multiple different angles, given the nature of this course and how it allows you to interact with a group of people from various backgrounds, has been great. And I definitely highly recommend this to anyone who has the chance to do this in the future.
Hi, this cold chain experience was fantastic for me. I'm new to the industry. I'm coming from the vendor side of things, and it really exposed me to what's happening in the last mile, hands-on. I really value this. I'm going to bring back ideas about enhancing our products and services. I was able to speak with all of the participants and get their points of view, and the mentors were fantastic. They bring really the industry viewpoint and their personal experiences in the field. So I highly recommend this to everyone, and it's almost like a mini business school course in 1 week, but you're in the field, hands-on, getting to talk to people with real-life problems in the cold chain process.
This has been a very wonderful experience. In the last 6 days, we worked together. Different variety of people came from the different zones, and we could able to interact with them. And especially the quality risk management, that is a very wonderful experience actually. So I could take it from that and implement at my workplace. And even the cold chain distribution system, that basically theoretical knowledge how it is applied to the distribution up to the pharmacy level, that was a very good experience. That also I can take at my workplace, and I am very much thankful to facility, and I will definitely suggest this course for my new colleagues. And
it was a wonderful experience to share knowledge and how to keep a cold chain in pharma goods. I will continue to study about GDP in Japan. Thank you very much.
Cold chain management on wheels, eh? So apart from eating too much every day, I think I overcame the initial confusion and learned that keeping an open mind and always looking for new sources and causes of problems are the key things. And as long as you have a consistent methodology that you apply, you can't go too far wrong. Really enjoyed the course, enjoyed meeting everybody, especially the input from the mentors. I thought they were open and friendly and accessible for the whole course. So just want to say thank you to everybody. It was a great experience for me.
The course is useful and was well conducted. I hope to use that knowledge that I have got here in my organization when it's required. Thank you.
Hello, I'll thank you all the mentors for the last 6 days. There I learned a lot about cold chain. For me, as a member from a company where we produce data logger, is it really important to know what happened outside of Switzerland, because Greece is not so far away, but it looks totally different than in our area. So data logging and monitoring for cold chain is, for me and for our company, one of the biggest points.
This 6-day course has been very practical and intensive. Having seen the passion of the organizers, I wish to go back home, share the experience with my staff and stakeholders in the pharmaceutical supply chain system. This, I believe, will help improve upon the pharmaceutical distribution system in my country, Ghana. Thank you for everyone for making this course a success.
Dr. Umit's team of experts and travel professionals put together a great trip this week, keeping us busy from morning till night, making it a really intensive learning that allowed us to see various aspects of the cold chain and create, I think, quite a bit of camaraderie between the participants in the course. So we shared amongst ourselves and learned quite a bit during this week. I appreciate the opportunity and thank you.
The course was absolutely amazing. It was a place for me to interact with some of the best scientists, some industry experts, and I learned a lot. The average experience of people here in this course was over 15 to 20 years. They know the inside out of cold chain management, and their inputs were absolutely critical in some of the things that I will apply back when I go back home. And the course also gave me a unique platform to work with people not of different countries but of different continents. And this was a cultural experience, one of a kind.
Okay, hello. 3 international WHO certified experts helped me increase my knowledge, which honed my skills to be a more competent inspector, to check on FDA-regulated establishments on cold chain management, with the authority to give lectures and advocacy and cascade the learning to my fellow inspectors, which will equip me, not only me alone, but for the whole Philippine FDA organization, as well as for the learning experience that I got from this training.